Looking to buy something that's not quite as outrageous as the Ford Ranger Raptor, but a bit more hardcore than the regular Wildtrak? Well, today's your lucky day, because Ford has the answer. Meet the 2024 Wildtrak X. This is basically just as serious as the Raptor when it comes to macho styling and off-road attitude, but it's more affordable and uses less fuel. Ford describes it as offering more off-road capability than the regular models, while maintaining the Ranger's underlying versatility. As you can probably tell, the track widths have been pushed outward, by 30mm to be precise, providing an even fatter stance on the road. This is achieved through suspension, wheel and tyre enhancements. And to help with versatility, the X comes standard with Ford's flexible rack system, complete with folding roof racks that can be stowed away for a cleaner look. Underneath, you'll find an extensive suspension upgrade package consisting of Bilstein position-sensitive dampers. These have been tuned to offer improved performance off the road, but also to enhance on-road handling characteristics. The ground clearance is raised by 26mm over the regular Wildtrak, largely thanks to the big all-terrain tyres. The X comes with these unique 17-inch alloy wheels. Don't worry about big wheels, this is actually downsizing. That's so it can accommodate chunky AT3 tyres, measuring 265/70 front and back. Unlike the Raptor, the Wildtrak X retains the handy little side step within the rear bumper bar. The Wildtrak X also comes with a clever front camera washer system, so when you're off-roading in really muddy conditions, the front camera can continue to provide a clear view. Inside, the X is pretty much a standard Wildtrak, although you do get Miko suede and leather seats with special logos, and cyber orange contrast stitching. The latest Ranger offers excellent cabin functionality in any case, with a wide array of storage options, charging facilities, and a 12.4-inch vertical touchscreen system. The 2024 model introduces a home button and main menu screen. Even though it's still a drop-down tab, it does help with functionality. And the X comes with the same 12.4-inch instrument cluster screen as seen in the Raptor and Platinum too. Passenger space is great, with good levels of comfort and convenience for all. Rear passengers get their own climate vents and charging ports as well. And this example features a very thick and durable floor mat that extends over the middle hump. In somewhat bad news, the Wildtrak X is not available with the 3-litre V6 diesel engine option. Instead, it's only available with the 2-litre twin-turbo 4-cylinder. It's not a bad engine in terms of smoothness and quietness for a diesel, particularly after Ford made some revisions to it for the latest gen Ranger. But still, it would be nice to have the V6 as an option. We know it fits in here, as it's already available in other models. Out on the road, you'll be impressed by its ride comfort and composure. Even over shoddy country roads, the platform remains planted and unbothered, which is great for a ute. It actually handles well too, taking on corners while remaining flat and committed. It doesn't feel completely out of its depth, in other words. And that's with these off-road tyres. The steering feels more like an SUV than a pickup truck, so you can feel what's going on down below. And it's fairly precise, so it's easy to place on the road. Where this machine really shines though is obviously off the road. It's a proper beast. It doesn't come with a front diff lock like the Raptor, but don't worry, you'll get pretty much just as far in this. There's all the driving modes you could possibly need, including low range, and the X comes with Ford's trail mode system. This is basically a cruise control function, but with added stability, a bit like hill descent control, and it works on flat or uphill terrain. So you just use the set button on the cruise control here, and you can set your speed and it will just maintain a nice speed. So I've got it just here at 5 kilometers an hour, slow it right down to 2 kilometers an hour. That's my feet completely off the pedals, and it will just maintain complete stability and control no matter what you're driving across, basically. Might be able to go a little bit faster than that actually, 3 kilometers an hour. So this works a little bit differently to normal hill descent control. It'll actually go through a flat road as well, a flat section, sorry, and it'll provide that power. But yeah, it's also maintaining a good level of stability going down this steep hill. This is what it goes like.